Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting essentials in place. Plug the primary Eero into your modem via Ethernet and power it on. Once the LED pulses, open the Eero app and sign in. The app detects the beacon over Bluetooth to authorize setup. Make sure your phone's Wi-Fi and location are enabled so the app can provision the network. Place the primary unit where it can see the main living area. Proximity to the modem matters for speed and stability. You add satellites one at a time through the app. Tap Add Device, follow prompts, and watch the LED to confirm provisioning. Once a satellite shows solid white, test link quality inside the app and move it if the hop quality is poor. Configure a clear SSID and strong password. Enable guest access if needed, and turn on automatic updates so firmware stays current. These steps ensure mesh routing and seamless roaming across nodes without manual switching. You're finishing by validating performance. Run the app speed test in different rooms and verify devices roam without dropping. If a room shows poor throughput, move the nearest Eero closer or add another satellite mid-range to improve backhaul. Make sure EOT devices are on the correct band and restart any stubborn device. If connectivity still fails, power cycle modem and Eeros, and only then factory reset a node to reprovision it. That fixes most persistent pairing and routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.